Okay guys, so I'm using on the ES, I'm using a tick trend of 2, open offset of 8, and a reversal of 14. If you find that you want to match exactly as I'm doing, you need to have 3 days on the chart. If you have 1 day, the ATRs will draw differently. Okay, so that's something that you need to consider. Then the indicators. Okay, for example, the smaller ATR have it at median, default true range 315. Okay, as always on bar close. Okay, so this is for the smaller one, and the bigger ATR I have it on 3515. Okay, like always median and true range. Okay, just for you to have the exact same setup as I have. Regarding the Nasdaq, I'm using the median true range, and a 6 for the bigger one, and 3 for the smaller one. Okay, median, default, true range. Okay, so that's something that you need to take into account if you want to copy exact the same setup as I have. Okay, so that's something that you need to have updated, as long as the audio files. Okay, you need to have the audio files. We're gonna put a limit order here, guys.
Order
Let's see
submitted.
if these guys can pick it up. This was a good short here. Once Nasdaq just reversed, could have caught the momentum. Okay, so over here the imbalance indicator draw this orange lines telling bearish momentum. We take into account the 6 prior bars. So if we find this one is it's in both indicators, in the Nasdaq and in the ES, you can see that this it's bearish. Okay, so they all into agreement. You see, we don't take at market orders because I don't like that. This can be a
Order
trap trader
canceled.
scenario. So we're talking about the
Long signal
punctures. Okay,
NQ.
so it happened again. So
Long signal NQ.
Order submitted.
okay, so do you see the audio files? Okay, you hear long signal NQ, you hear short signal NQ. What you hear about this is the momentum. Okay, so if you, for example, you know, this big fall over here, you see it was a huge announcement here.
Order filled.
Long
There you
signal
go.
NQ.
Let's see if we get filled here. You see, I hear the momentum. I hear the momentum, so that way I can enter a trade without looking at the chart. I already know that when it says
Target filled.
long signal NQ, it's 10 ticks. You know, I see here because I have a trend of
Target
10.
filled.
When I hear a long signal NQ, I know it's momentum. Okay, if I hear it twice, it's 20 ticks in my favor. So I capitalize that on the ES. I don't like to trade the Nasdaq because it's too tricky. It can reverse 34, 40 ticks in a blink of an eye. So it's not worth it. The ES is a more calm market. It works very well, and you can make enough money down there. You see, we have an imbalance pattern here. This should be a very good long, but I don't. I already did this one, so the market is closing in 15 minutes. More than enough trades for me. Just wanted to let you know the importance of the audio, guys. Importance of the audios. Okay, so the momentum of the audio is very important too, because you don't need to read the tape. You need to hear the machine. Okay, it will tell you if there is momentum or not. Right now you don't hear nothing because there is no momentum, there is no trading. Okay, when you hear 1 or 2 times, 3 times tape momentum, or you know, the long Nasdaq or short Nasdaq Nasdaq is moving, is in a move, is in a hurry. So you need to check where the ES is, or the Nasdaq where it is. You see, I was told you in the prior video, I told you about the puncture. Okay, it's important, the puncture. Here it is. Okay, so that's what the market does all day long. You see here is a puncture. So you know, it's a no-brainer, guys. It's just common sense. Okay, you just need to watch the tape. You need to watch the imbalance. You see, we see imbalance to the upside here. Okay, we see 3 imbalances, but the market is going down. So it's not logic. You need to wait, because that may be some big traders, you know, making adjustments. So there's nothing to do right now. Broke the ATR, but we're expecting a puncture only. I don't see the tape flying. Another imbalance, 1400 contracts. So we can place
Order
a limit
submitted.
long here, guys. Remember, we're talking about the puncture here. Okay, I cancel the
Short
order.
signal yes.
Cancel the
Order canceled.
That's it. Still, the Nasdaq is reversing.
Order submitted.
Let's still take this trade to the upside. Let's see the Nasdaq reverses from here. Lots of buying in the tape here.
Order filled.
Okay, we got filled, guys. See a rush of buyers here.
Target filled.
Okay, we got filled. First target. You see tape momentum. The blue lines telling you that the tape momentum is 80% green. There's buyers, more buyers than sellers.
Target filled.
Winner. Okay, I'm gonna try to exit this trade here.
Order filled.
Out. Okay, guys, more than enough. You see, we see all the imbalances here pushing to the upside. 1400 contracts here. So the market is, in a moment, it's gonna reverse, but it's a quick scalp. Okay, you see the puncture here. We don't see any tape momentum as we see here, magenta. We see blue here. We see blue here. Right now, we don't see nothing. So market can continue higher from here, but we are done for the day. More than enough. Okay, guys, so I think that you can enjoy this video, and thanks for watching. If you're interested in the system, there's a link in the description of this video. You can contact me. I will be happy to answer any question you may have.
Long signal and Q. Short signal and Q.